Hello, this is Tijuana, the Real Estate Apostle, living my best life coach, and today is September 10th, 2020. If this is your first time at my channel, welcome. Please like and subscribe. My channel is dedicated to mindset and helping people to get financially free and coaching you into living your best life. Today, I'm going to give my 5 top tips for how to use faith to manifest your desires. So I'm going to show you some clips of my day, and today is day 42 of my 90-day journey. So if you've been following me, you know that 42 days ago I started off with the Done For You service, and then I graduated off into the Overnight Millionaire with Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin. And I've been on this quest to dedicate the next 90 days to implementing the service and becoming financially free. So watch the clips, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to give you my my tips. Okay, before I give you the tips, I just want to say James 2:26. Yeah, that's in the Bible. It says that faith without works is dead. I'm sure everyone's heard that before. Faith without works is dead. So, what is faith? All right, the definition says faith is complete trust or confidence in someone or something. And then we need to question and ask, what is work? Work is exertion or an effort directed to produce or accomplish something. So faith, meaning that you got to do something to actually work it. So just kind of let that sit in your head a little bit, and then I'm going to come back and give you my 5 tips. But right now, just watch the clips of my day, and you can see how I've been using faith in order to manifest my desires. But also work, okay? Because I've been putting in a lot of work, all right? It's not easy. It gets easy, but in the beginning, it's going to require a lot of work because faith without works is dead, all right? So stick around to the end of the video so you can get these 5 tips. Good morning. This is Tijuana, the Real Estate Apostle, living my best life coach. And it's the morning of September 10th, and it is a beautiful morning because I woke up on my own at 5:30, and I sprang about my bed and meditated first, and I went and made my wonderful juice that I love so much. I should put me a nipple on here. Suck like a baby. Stop. But I love this juice. Like, I'm up to 3 times a day, and I'm not like doing it because, oh, it's time to drink the juice. I like look for it. I want it, and I absolutely love it. I love how I feel and all that good stuff. And so already it's about 6:30 now, and I've already done morning meditation and visualization, and I'm so excited because the day that I have visualized for myself is going to be wonderful. And so you guys will see at the end of the day. But right now I'm about to check my little morning stash. I know how I like to do, see what's going on with my enterprise. Okay, so one of the things I do when I post a video, what I should have done last night, but I went to sleep instead. I usually watch it on, see, I'm here watching it on my 3 other channels that I had, from years ago, and give myself, of course, a like, and thumbs up, and all of that good stuff, to like at least give myself 3 views with 3 good compliments. However, I noticed that some days I'm not consistent. Like, I didn't do it last night. I didn't even share it. So this morning I'm righting those wrongs. I'm righting those wrongs, and I'm I just shared it, and I'm watching it now on my last channel. So there we go. I know what I wanted to do is wanted to show what my subscriptions is up to since the highlight of getting that 1,000 is over. That I am making a journey to be at 1500 and then 2000. So the saga continues. Okay, so just here one of the real estate apostle, my best life coach, and I'm at the gym. And today I'm doing my on my own. I'm about to do 30 minutes of this cardio. And then, oh, that's it. Woo. All right, then I'm about to go do some weights. I'm gonna try to spend an hour working out. All right. All right. So this is my late after morning. I'm having me a bowl of just some plain oatmeal. It's delicious. And I had a great workout, and I'm getting ready to go meet my buyer for a second deal, and I really believe that offer will be placed today. So I'll let y'all know later. I'm about to do the thing, baby. Woo-hoo. Hello, I'm just so excited. This here's the evening, and I finally was able to join a buddy group before it said closed. Because I've been doing a lot. I've been focusing, real estate is on the front burner now. So I really put a lot of attention to that because I'm like a pressure cooker, and I'm about to explode. I need to add some more. I got a ton of buyers and I just been showing houses like crazy. And I got a batch that I'm going through second showings with that, like, I think now I've found the one for them, and I'm about to start closing some deals and getting them fat commission checks. And yeah, so I'm excited. And then I got the YouTube thing that's it's coming up to a boil. I believe I'll be monetized before the year is up because I'm already at 1100. And it's working. Like, I'm just excited because and I'm excited too because I can tell when, like, I haven't did my promo thing to it. Like, at one point last week, a few times I had a good rhythm where I was on top of it I know why, because I was in LA and I didn't have houses to show, so I focused on strictly mostly YouTube and dropping links and things like that. And this week I really focused on real estate, which is what kind of stumbled me into the whole overnight millionaire and done for you and all that good stuff. So I'm just excited because it's all working. And you're supposed to have at least 7 streams of income, or at least I don't know, that so many people say different things. Some people say 3, some people I've heard as much as 20. I just want to have lots. Lots, but I want to focus on 3 to 4 at one time, and then once I feel like I've graduated them, I'll put new ones on the burners. Like, I'll put those to the side, or they can be in like serving trays for my buffet of things that I'm doing to keep this multimillionaire status up. So anyway, I know what I wanted to talk about, but this is kind of rambling on here. Okay, thank you so much for sticking around to the end to hear these tips. However, I'm going to only give 3 because of the time that I have available to give these tips. Okay, so number 3 is to pick somebody or something to trust and believe in, to have faith in. Preferably, it should be you. You should be having faith and confidence in yourself. But in the beginning, when you're just kind of, just learning, you're just a fragile little infant. Your subconscious isn't going to have confidence in you. Your subconscious is the voice that's telling you that you can't do it and all those kind of things. So you definitely need to pick something else until you get a little bit stronger. Then you can turn it around on yourself. I recommend in the beginning to pick Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin to trust and have confidence and believe in, because he is such a beautiful person inside and out. And the reason why I say that is because I just met him anyway, July 31st. He was wearing a green shirt, and He leaped on the bed and asked me if I was ready. I said yes. He also asked me if I liked his green shirt and then told me to smash the like button, which I did. I followed all the instructions. I'm willing to do whatever Wesley say do. That's how much trust I have in him, trust and faith. The reason why is because, like I said, when I've gone back, like I said, I met him on the Make 10,000 in a week with no skills video. And it was more recent. So I go off into his little box and I see that he's got some old videos where he's working out and all that stuff. And he was a remarkable person, you know, back in 2014. And he has developed and has actually gotten better. Like if I had just met that Wesley in 2014, I would have been impressed there. And who would know that, you know, 6 years later that he's even more phenomenal. So he's a great person to pick to have faith and trust in. And the tips that he gives you, the value that he gives you actually works. So it's going to help you to increase your own faith in yourself, because the more you actually practice it and you get better with it, you start to see things manifest. So it makes it a lot easier to have faith. It's easy to believe in things you can see, you know. Having faith in the unknown is the difficult part. So you're wanting to be this financially free millionaire, or just, you know, financially free person. Since you don't see that, it's hard to believe it. It's hard for your subconscious to believe it until you have exercised the muscle of faith and gotten it a little bit stronger to make these kind of things a little bit easier to believe in. I need to quickly wrap this up because I'm running out of time. All right, so number 2 is plan your work. Remember earlier we had identified what work is. So that's why you have to plan it out to make it match up with your faith. And the good thing is that Wesley always gives instructions. So he's a teacher. So there's your work right there. So it kind of makes it a little bit easier to just follow that. You put your faith in him and his techniques, because you can see it's been successful for him. So you know, great little plan there. And then he, like I said, teaches, so you'll have your work already structured out. And my top number 1 tip is to meditate. See, meditation is going to help you to develop a burning desire, and you need that. And then it has to be backed by faith. And faith is that, you know, first thing, you know, that we talked about. So you put all these ingredients together, and there you have it. And that's how you're able to use your faith to manifest your desires. All right, I hope that helped. And please, if you haven't already, like and subscribe. And if you want to get information on how I started my transformation, just click the Living My Best Life coach link, and you'll be introduced to some meditations to help start you on your journey. All right, I will see you later at the top. Bye.